Well, it's our first time here, our first tourism fair in Turkey.
This kind of loyalty in which you can see our outlets, the brand style outlets, and in Poland it's called factory.
First, how are you? But before, can you introduce briefly yourselves?
Yes, sure. I'm Katerina, tourism coordinator from the Style Outlets and Factory. So we are a company of more than 20 outlets in the whole Europe.
Hello, my name is Ritesh. I'm tourism specialist of the style outlets in Madrid. We have 3 centers, and also in Barcelona we have 1 center. They are all well located, very close to the airport and to the city center as well.
How are you here at Madrid? How are you finding these events?
Well, it's our first time here, our first tourism fair in Turkey, and we have been so excited to come here. Yesterday has been our first very busy day, but so interesting. Many tour operators and agencies that are asking us for connections, also for businesses. So thumbs up for till now.
Can you explain us a bit about your company? What are you offering and where are you based?
Okay.
So basically we are based in the main countries of Europe. So it's Italy, France, Germany, Netherlands, Spain, and Poland. And basically we offer benefits not only for the clients who come from the foreign countries. In case of extra URI, apart from the tax-free, they receive the 10% discount. And for every international traveler, they will receive also the 10% discount. As well, we have a loyalty program, that's the Style Passport. This is unique because no other outlet company has
true.
it all over the world. We are pioneers in this kind of loyalty, in which you can see our outlets, the brand Style Outlets, and in Poland it's called Factory. So basically, if you are coming to our outlets, if you come to our info point, you will receive this with our tourist discount card. And for each visit you go to the store, you get a stamp. This is basically also good because if you visit more than 1 outlet, you get gift cards. That's amazing. That's money, basically. So this is an example of Getafe Style Outlets located in the south of Madrid. The main outlet in the south of Madrid, connection to Toledo is perfect. And here are the brands which are included in the outlet, and in pink, the ones which have the discount, 10% minimum.
Yes.
And these are the 2 stamps, and you will receive
Extra prices.
extra prices.
Yes.
Merchant or extra benefits like a coffee, etc.
What are the new markets you want to attract the most? Or what are the regions that you are working on expand? So,
Okay, basically we are here as Turkey is one of the most increasing nationalities coming in our outlets since last year. So Turkish people increased really a lot. So that's why we are here in those days. But basically, for instance, we have some differences, of course, between one country and the other one. I'm based in Italy, and I can tell you that for sure Switzerland is one of our most important countries, market reference, let's say, and also France. Speaking about Spain, LATAM area is so famous and so important. And then for Netherlands and France, Germany is another very important country. But also, and then arriving in Poland we have a very particular flows coming from Saudi Arabia, also Emirates, a very particular area, and also from other, let's say, European countries. So I will say that Turkey is, I will say, our most boosting country right now.
that is, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you a lot.